Hey everybody, Darren Cross here. Welcome to Business 215. This is small business management. The purpose of this video is to kind of just tell you how things are going to go and kind of orient you to the course and show you how to work through the course. Okay, so all of these things are pretty normal here. The normal things that you see on the side. This is actually here. Let me make student view here. So this is actually that was a teacher's view. So what you'll see here, it'll look like this. Now, the first thing that you need to do, you're already doing the first thing, right? So you've watched the video that's in here. You don't see it here, but by the time you have the course, you'll see a video here that says "Watch me first" or course orientation or something like that. But the first thing you need to do is to get your McGraw-Hill material so that you can go through the course, okay? Because everything is going to go through the course. All right. So if you click on McGraw-Hill Connect, click Begin, you can register for the course here. Now what this means is that you should have bought this version of the materials, okay? So you needed to buy the online version of the materials. So put your email here and it'll walk you through the registration process for the course. And that's going to be important because that's all of the elements that you actually need. All of the elements that you need are in this course, right? So what's going to happen is from week to week, you'll see there's all kinds of weeks. The next week will open before that week actually begins. So you'll see that before Monday, the week will open. We only see week 1 here now because that's the only thing that's open at this point. But what you're going to do is you're going to click into that week. Hopefully the date corresponds, so it tells you where we are. And there are things to do. Resources are the background materials that you need, right? So it'll be like the reading stuff. And if there's any videos that I think might be relevant, I'll put this here too. And most of the time I'll have a welcome video for that week as well. Okay. So after you've gone through that material, then your deliverables, your assignments will be after that. And this is going to be in every module, right? And so I kind of put them in the order that I thought that they were kind of in, an important order or some kind of a meaningful order, right? So right here, these are reading assignments, and I suggest that you actually go through them. You're not awarded any points, but this is how you actually can access the material for that. If you launch this, you actually go into that that chapter's reading assignment. So this is how you access the book and actually go through the reading assignment. You can do it right here on your screen. But then also there's a smart book assignment for each chapter that you can go to, and you are being awarded points for this. I want you to go through the assignment and you'll get your points, okay? So you'll see that there are several different types of assignments. There's smart book assignments, quizzes, and discussion boards. And there are some other assignments as well that we'll talk about here in a second. But the idea here is that you are going to go through this stuff in order, okay? Just if there's resources, I want you to look at those resources, and if there's actually assignments, just do those assignments, and that's what's required for that week. Now, another thing that I wanted to make you aware of, and I will actually talk about this when we get to it as well, right? So let me go down to the syllabus. So what you will actually see is that we have business plan, that comprehensive business plan that we're actually going to do in this course. And that business plan is going to be done piece by piece, and we're actually going to go through and put them together as we are going through the course. All right. So the elements are here, right? So we're going to start with the vision statement. The vision statement isn't necessarily in the business plan template that you'll have. It isn't yet. My goal is to get it in there. But we start with the vision statement, and then we're going to go through, right? So we're going to talk about the company elements, so the product, services, in the industry. We're going to talk about the market. We're going to talk about the actual organization, so the people running the organization and that thing, and then we're going to do the financial summary. Then we're going to go back here, and we're going to catch the executive summary, and then we're going to do the front matter, so the title page and the table of contents last. Okay, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Now, don't worry about it. You are going to have, I'm going to provide you a template for this entire thing. And then you're going to have an assignment video each week that tells you exactly what we're looking for. So it'll be a screen capture just like this that says, hey, everybody, this week we're going to be doing the vision statement, and this is what we're after. And you'll have, not only will you have a vision statement, but you'll have on the template, it'll give you some information about the business statement. So you will have, or the vision statement. So you'll have the prompt for the assignment, the example for the assignment, and you'll have the video, the assignment video for that assignment as well. That way you can continue to make progress. Now, we're not going to do that until we actually are done with, it's in the week that we're doing chapter 7. So we're going to begin doing this in the 4th week, okay? And then we're just going to continue doing this every other week. You'll have another element of this to do, and by the time we get to the end, you actually will have completed an entire business plan. It's going to be the structure that I set up and put together based upon my history with helping companies and things like that. And then afterwards, you're going to make a final presentation pitch, which is basically the summary of your business plan. It's going to be like a Shark Tank pitch. I want you to think of it as a Shark Tank pitch. Now, I will also give you the template for this and tell you exactly what to do for this. All right, we're going to talk about it specifically once we get towards the end of the class. So it'll be about week 14 or so, and that's going to be basically what your final assignment is going to be in the course. Okay, so that's really how everything works. Make sure that you register for McGraw-Hill Connect, and then each week you're just going to go to the next module, the next week that just opened up, look at the materials that are there, and do the assignments that are there. Okay? So good luck, everybody. And if you have any questions at all, I want you to, let me go back to the syllabus, actually. If you have any questions at all, here's the easiest way to do this. Sometimes the technology fails us a little bit, and I'm not able to get emails. I know I had a time when I didn't realize I wasn't getting emails because I set this stuff up for my phone or Outlook, and it just wasn't coming through. Here's the easiest way to contact me, and I want to urge you to do this. Just text me. If you have any questions, just text me. Tell me who you are, what class it is, and what your question is, okay? So, hey, this is Darren in your small business class. I was wondering about the business plan. The vision statement says this, that, or whatever, but it's kind of confusing because the prompt says something else. What are we supposed to do here? And then I'll say, oh, that's my mistake. Let me fix it and I'll let you know. Or I will actually just fix it and send an announcement. Or I might say, if you want more clarity, let's have a call tomorrow. What's your schedule? Okay, so the best thing to do is to text me, and that way I will get it. Okay, so work through all of this stuff, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Good luck, everybody.